Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out, is it stock market bearish trend? Let's do technical analysis review and we will figure out. Now let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now it's time for trading view. Let's start from stock market heat map based on all USA companies, market cap and daily performance. My name is Vadik. And market looks not good, looks red. Everything, all sectors red, except one, consumer non-durables, large, yeah, still positive, but generally a lot of red, right? Even utilities red. All for sale, all for sale. Now let's move to my watch list and we'll do technical analysis review. Let's start from DXY daily time frame for swing trading. If you want to learn more about trading view setup, just go to the description. There is the link about trading view setup training and other links about all my trainings. Now let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using simple moving averages, white line SMA 200, purple line SMA 100, blue line SMA 50, yellow line SMA 20, red line SMA 10, green line SMA 5, below yellow line RSI line, and Heikanaichi bars. That's all. Very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved. If you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions like on my chart. Sell signal, green line SMA 5 did bearish crossover over red line. For me, it's an entry point for bearish trend. And green circle when SMA 5 did bullish crossover over red, for me it was entry for bullish trend. Now what we received yesterday, it was SMA5 did bearish crossover. 3 days ago over SMA10, it was bearish trend, especially SMA20 ready for bearish crossover over 200. It is very bearish setup because of the SMA20. It was trying to bounce from 200. It was trying several times, but SMA20, and it will continue bearish because of the bearish setup. SMA20 already ready for bearish crossover over 200. It is bearish setup on daily time frame. At the same time, because it was fight this SMA200, it did bullish divergence. Bullish divergence, it means it can bounce. It can bounce, but trend is bearish. Looks like today everything on the market for sale, right? Included USA dollar. USA dollar is for sale too. Okay, dollar bearish, it should be positive for equities and indexes, but it's not. All indexes and equities bearish. Nasdaq triple Q daily time frame, it was dancing at SMA 100 level. SMA 100 was strong support line. It could bounce from it. It did try 3 times bounce from it, but finally it did cross over today and it closed below SMA 100. Bearish trend, right? Also has some positive bullish divergence. Look at it. RSI is uptrend and price action is downtrend. That's what we are observing. Bullish divergence on RSI, but trend is bearish. 4 hours time frame, similar price action, bearish, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend, and on RSI, bullish divergence. 1 hour time frame, it did gap down. RSI, yeah, close to oversold territory. I am expecting it should bounce. It should bounce on Monday because I will tell you. I will tell you this. Okay. Last bar disconnected from SMA 20. Definitely it wants to have some bounce. The other thing, look at it on daily time frame. Since July 11, today is August 2nd, right? August 2nd, for last 20 days, market in a bearish trend. 20 days. It definitely can bounce because it's kind of due for some bounce. Especially last bar also disconnected from SMA 20. But it's not a rule. It can continue bearish until it will touch the SMA 200. SMA 200 will be strong support and it will bounce from SMA 200. We'll see. Trend is bearish. Another point why it can bounce, VXN, volatility index. Again, plus 12% today. It means 85% chance on Monday or Tuesday, Nasdaq will be green. And at the same time, what it has, bearish divergence. Price action bullish, bearish divergence on RSI. Looks like it will have some reversal. Would be some positive news in market, would be happy and it will bounce. Especially before election, it should be some good news and positive news. Okay, now let's move to SPX, S&P 500, minus 2%. Qs were minus 2.4, almost 2.5%. After hours, it's minus 0.25%. Still sell-offs after hours. Okay, still earning season, right? Daily time frame is S&P 500, SPX. It did touch the SMA 100. SMA 100 could be strong support. It can bounce from it. Trend is bearish. 4 hours time frame, same last bar touched SMA 200. It left gap over here. It can bounce from SMA 200 because SMA 200 very strong support line. 1 hour time frame, it is bearish trend, right? Let me show you the gap. Here is the gap. It definitely wants to have some bounce, connect back to SMA 20, fill the gap, and continue bearish trend. That's why we are expecting bounce next Monday or Tuesday. Bearish trend. And same with the week, with the volatility index for S&P 500. Wix get nice bounce today to $30. Huge move, bullish trend, and bearish divergence on RSI. It definitely wants to have some correction. Wix moved from $12 to $30 during the short time. Bullish, yeah, bearish divergence, bullish trend for VIX is bearish for S&P 500. Dow Jones minus 1.5% daily time frame. Last bar closed below SMA 20, bearish trend. Double top it was with bearish divergence and trend is bearish. Today last bar touched SMA 50. It could be strong bounce from this level because it's a strong support, but trend is bearish. 4 hours time frame, last 2 bars they touched SMA 100, SMA 100 strong support. It can bounce from it. 1 hour time frame, RSI wasn't, it touched oversold territory. It can bounce from the oversold territory. Also, it left some gap today. Over here, look at it. And this gap will be closed. I believe next week it should be closed. And on RSI ready for bullish crossover, it's ready for bounce, but trend is still bearish. VIX volatility index for, I'm sorry, not VIX, IWM, well, it's a Russell 2000, IWM ETF, Russell 2000, sell signal, last bar with bearish reversal from the top. You see it was double top, bearish divergence, and it did reversal. And last bar, it was yesterday, right? And today it huge gap down and in decision mode. And it touched SMA 50. Possible it can bounce from SMA 50 because it's a strong support line. And It still has multiple gaps over here. Maybe it will continue bearish. Touch the SMA 100, bounce from it because it has gaps on the left side, gap ups, and now it created gap down. We see gap down today. Bearish trend. 4 hours time frame, same bearish trend. It's already dancing at the SMA 100 level. 1 hour time frame, bearish trend, last bar below 200. It was very oversold and bounced from it. Bearish trend. RVX volatility index, same story, 12%. It means 85% chance that IWM Russell 2000 will be bullish Monday or Tuesday. Apple, yeah, same. RVX, the same story, right? Price action is bullish and it has bearish divergence on the other side, wants to have some correction. Apple today is positive because of the earnings report. Apple was happy. Only one stock was happy. It means when everything red during that kind of day and one stock is green, it means the stock is very strong. Okay, Apple was positive, but trend is bearish. Last bar still below SMA 20. It is, even if it bounced today, touched SMA 20 and was rejected. Trend is bearish. 4 hours time frame, it's also moved above SMA 20, SMA 50 and was rejected and came back and closed below 20. Still sideways bearish. 1 hour time frame, similar. Did nice bounce, it moved above all moving averages and it came back last 3 hours. It did reversal and closed at SMA 50 level, almost below all moving averages. Bearish trend. Tesla plus 4.25%. 1 hour time frame, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. RSI in very oversold territory. It can bounce from this level, disconnected from SMA 20. 4 hours time frame, last 2 bars at SMA 100 level. Purple line, it is strong support. It can bounce from it. Daily time frame, last bar just touched SMA 50. Blue line, it can, and yeah, it touched SMA 200 also. It can bounce, definitely. It's strong support. Even it can bounce and fill this gap, also possible. Bearish trend. Nvidia minus 2% daily time frame. You see it did second time. It touched SMA 100. It bounced from SMA 100, moved up, touched SMA 20 and 50 and was rejected. And now it's back to SMA 100. Still bearish trend with the strong support at SMA 100 level. 4 hours time frame, same, double bottom at SMA 200 level. Bearish trend, can bounce from it. And 1 hour time frame, bearish trend with bullish divergence. On RSI, it wants to have some bounce. You see, bullish divergence on RSI. Price action is downtrend. Microsoft minus 2%, 1 hour time frame. Last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. It wants to have some bounce buy signal. 4 hours time frame, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. SMA 20 did bearish crossover over 200. It is bearish setup. Some positive bullish divergence on RSI. It wants to have some bounce, but trend is bearish and setup is bearish. Daily time frame, last bar touched SMA 200, and usually it's a strong support line and can bounce from SMA 200. It has bullish divergence also on RSI. Amazon minus 9%. Amazon minus 9% daily time frame. SMA 5, the bearish crossover over 10. Bearish reversal, bearish trend, right? It was rejected from SMA 20. Bearish trend. Yeah. 4 hours time frame. Last bar below all moving. You see, it huge gap down, right? Huge gap down. Look at it, huge gap down. Let me show you. It's very, very unbelievable. This is the gap. And it closed below 200. Now 200 is resistant. Definitely very oversold. Definitely disconnected from all moving averages. Very bearish. 4 hours time frame, same. You see last bar disconnected from all moving averages. Bearish trend. 1 hour time frame. Bearish trend, last bar below all moving averages. Still bearish, but definitely it wants to. It can go sideways and moving averages will come back to bars. Bearish trend for Amazon. Google minus 2.5%. 1 hour time frame, similarly did gap down, bearish trend on 1 hour time frame. 4 hours time frame, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. Bullish divergence on RSI, trend is bearish. And daily time frame, last bar below all moving averages except 200, it is bearish trend. Bullish divergence on RSI. And Meta minus 2%. It was earning report, strong bounce above all moving averages, and it did reversal. It is bearish. It's not good, right? That kind of strong reversal, it means stock is not solid. You see, Apple is more solid, but last bar just stopped at SMA 20. Yeah, still bearish, right? Bearish. Let's see 4 hours time frame. It was nice bullish crossover. It still have to fill this gap. Still in a fight mode. Last bar still above SMA 20. Still in the bullish territory on 4 hours. Meta still in a kind of positive territory. Even on 1 hour time frame, last bar above SMA 20. Still in the bullish territory. It was huge move up and it did gap. Actually, it did fill. It did huge gap up and it filled this gap today. Nice. This gap is filled. This gap is filled. Nice gap and filled. After earnings report, you see it was earnings report, was huge gap, move up, and it reversed everything back. That's all from my side. Let's do summary. USA dollar bearish negative and stock market is bearish. All equities, all indexes, they all bearish. Only like I told you, bullish divergence on 1 hour time frame. And it's RSI, it's on RSI. They very oversold. I'm sorry, it's a dollar. On the other side, they all kind of very oversold. They have bullish divergences on 1 hour time frame. They want to have some bounce. Also, and volatility indexes were very overbought today. It's possible the Monday and Tuesday will be bounce for indexes. That's all. That's all from my side. Let's move to my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Tomorrow I will do show for weekly and monthly. We'll see on large time frames. We will do technical analysis review on large time frames. Thank you for watching simple trading style videos. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. Please subscribe this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.